strong.
Hey guys, Elysian here, back for another video, and today's video I've got something very special. I finally got my hands on the Roving Skies ETB, the one with Umbreon, Flareon, Jolteon, Leafeon, and I also got the one with Sylveon, Espeon, Vaporeon, and Glaceon. So yeah, I was able to get both of them, which I'm actually quite excited for. I'm going to open up the this one first because this one has my favourite evolution on it. Because I am a fan of Jolteon. It was always my favourite growing up. Always my favourite of the evolutions. So here's our guide of what's in the set. But I want to have a look at the artwork on this. If I can find where it ends. Oh, here it is. Oh, that's a shame. The glue's really stuck on there, so it kind of rips. But let's just the art. This just looks so good. So, plus the box looks really nice too. Oh, I'm so excited! I've been wanting to get my hands on Evolution of Roving Skies for a while. So here is our packs, player manual, our sleeves, dice, counters. Here's a code card for you online players. Dividers and the energies. So let's do this. So yeah, let's crack the box one open. I don't actually know where my scissors are, annoyingly. Code card. All the code cards will be in this corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm really hoping for like to get like these are my favorite EV evolutions. The first one is Jolteon, second is Glaceon, and the third is Sylveon. Oh, there we go. Identical. Hoppip. Dino. It's not that they've returned dragons, but they haven't returned fairies. Mareep. Nice. Woman Lady for a reverse hollow. And a regular Gigalith. This is support do. Draw 2 cards. If you do, your active Pokemon recovers from all special conditions. There's no next to that. Draw 2 cards and your Pokemon is back up and ready to fight. Sure. Lambre. Huh? Someone going to space? That's a very old art of hit now. Very back to the old styles. Emolga. Slack off. Yeah. A reverse hollow Flapple. And we have a Stoutland. Good doggo. My doggo was very happy to see me when I came in today after going for my interview. So he was very happy to see me again. Puzzle, Carrier, Crystal Cave, Hitmonchan, Lotad, Stable Eye, Teddy Ursula, another Mareep, a reverse hollow Treasure Energy, And we have Volcarona V. My brother would probably really like this card. He really likes Volcarona. It's his like absolute favourite. So we are just gonna sleeve all of them with some nice pink sleeves. So yeah, our first V isn't any of the evolutions. I am hoping to pull at least one like old art to like any Pokemon, because that would be absolutely nice. If my camera can please focus, thank you. And we have a Reverse Holo, Rock and Roller, and a Talonflame. Also, I'm also very hyped for the next 2 weeks when Midnight Hunt for Magic the Gathering comes out. So I'm going to be doing some videos on that. Probably get a box and mega bundle. Pikachu. First Holo Feeble. And we have Hitmonchan V. I'm pretty sure this has an OR too. Come on. I'm having some technical pack difficulties. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, no. Come on. There we go. No code. 3-4. Shellon. Oh, my power was slightly turning to the left. We don't want that. I'll kill Feebas. Love Milotic. Seedot. Oh. We have a Cutiefly. And we have a Seismitoad. I used to have a pair of scissors, but I honestly don't know where they've gone. I do need to find them again. Okay, Chinchou. Dino, Teddy Ursula, Feedbass again, Moon and Sun Badge, and Milotic. There we go. Last pack of our first ETB. Can we pull an evolution? Can we please pull an evolution? Pray to my foot for good luck. Versatile Fletchant and Smeagol. Okay, so from one box we got 2 of these. Volcarona and Miniature. Now for the second box, where did I just put the second box? Oh, it's right here. Keep that out of the way. Just move all the stuff we don't care about over there. That should be fine. Our packs. Info card. Some deck dividers, the same as always. Sleeves are the same thing as the deck divider. But we got a nice light blue and we got pink dice. Yeah. Yeah, let's. Oh, this pack seems very odd. A lot more air room in here, which is a bit odd. pop the packs down here, I guess. There we go. Hit Dwebble, Rufflet, Rayhan, and Wishy-Washy. Please, third god, let me pull an old art. Pretty sure the only old art I pulled is, what was it, an Urshifu? I think it was an Urshifu. Toy catcher, and oh yes, yes, a Sylveon. Oh, you're gonna look really nice in these pink sleeves. Yay, we got an evolution, my third favorite evolution, Sylveon. Also one of my favorite shinies because it's blue. A little snap right there. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Job and even cooler, pulling the old art because the old art looks, oh, it looks so good. No, that goes there. There we go. Seedot, Lillipup, Bagon, Elitio, Lotad, first Hollow Regidrago. And we have a hollow. Huh. Okay, sure. Cool. Okay, I guess I'm okay with that. If I can just get into these, they really made these packs a lot difficult to open now. Oh, that would be my phone. Come on. What can we pull next? Oh, a nice hollow Lotad. And we pulled a Espeon VMAX. Okay, that is really nice. We pulled a VMAX in this set. And normally it wasn't the VMAX full of the EV we pulled. Actually, that's a fair point. Surely base set EVV must be the replay in this set. Surely. It'll be foolish if they didn't. Ursaring, Crystal Cave, another Feebas, Hitmonchan, Fletchling, Tentacool, Pikachu, damn Penguin. And we have, oh, that's a fair point, Halloween's next month. We're like almost halfway through September. That means a lot of things for me. One, like more Shuppets. Also, my little could be Trevenant in Pokemon Go. And in Destiny, we get to become dinosaurs. Fair point, I'll be doing some Destiny today. Speaking about the boy Trevenant, we pulled a full art Trevenant. Oh, that actually looks amazing. Oh, I'm actually really happy now. Thank you for it. Look at that. You're definitely going in my frame. Oh, the boy. The big boy. Okay. Can we pull a art? I'm feeling lucky. I'm feeling lucky. Ah, that's actually pretty cool. Last pack. Can we pull art? So is Rayquaza still the most expensive like card in this set? Hello, basic Eevee, Cutiefly, Pikachu, Rapid Strike, Scroll of the Flying Dragon, become a dragon. Oh, not. Nope. Nope, just pincer. Damn it. By the end of the day. Oh, hang on. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, I'm really happy with what we pulled. We pulled like an evolution, and we pulled one of my favorite Pokemon as full art. So yeah, I'm actually really happy. These will add to my Pokemon frame that I'm slowly getting done. You don't know what that is? It's a little side project that I'm just like that I'm going to put up all my favorite like Pokemon in their like regular V's and full arts, like Sandmans I got, and like the God of War. And yeah, I've been doing that for some time, so it's actually almost done. So yeah, thank you everyone who have come by, and make sure to catch me in the next video where I do some more stuff. I'm thinking maybe Magic or maybe another Pokemon, but you have to wait and find out. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.